The NAR settlement is changing the way you work. We get your concerns. With cooperative compensation no longer legally allowed on the MLS starting August 14th, how do you get paid? Let's look. Prior to your very first showing, you speak with your buyers about how much you'll earn and their responsibility for that money. But they may still be hoping that the seller helps with the cost. There are 3 ways forward, and if you do any one of them, you get paid. 1. You work with your buyer to negotiate, including in the agreement of sale that the seller will pay your fees. 2. You help your buyer negotiate for seller concessions, which your buyer can use to pay you. 3. Your buyer pays you any amount that the seller doesn't cover. We know this adds a little extra work to each sale, but in the end, you may get to show more value to your client, and you get paid. Moving your business forward. Learn more at brightmls.com/summer policy updates.